office made X amount of years ago. It seems to me that that's a huge part of the equation here.
It is, Ted, and I think that's a very important question. I myself was also a part of the Innocence Project here in Northern California, and we successfully got Pete Rose exonerated and released from prison because of a wrongful conviction along the same circumstances of Mr. Dubois. Here, of course, the prosecution or the state attorney's office and their involvement in getting the exoneration done was important. However, I'll put this to you. It is a win-win situation for the prosecution because he does not get exoneration money, right, for being wrongfully convicted, because he did have a prior conviction, so that makes him ineligible to have any monies rewarded to him for the time that he was in prison and served in custody wrongfully. It is quite easy for the state attorney to say, look, hey, we made a mistake. No harm, no foul. We let you out. It doesn't cost us any money. We get to be the good people, the good guys and gals for releasing somebody, and there's a happy ending to the story. Unfortunately, a lot of evidence that was used to prosecute folks back in the 80s and 90s, especially DNA evidence, may have been inaccurate. And that is just because of the technology that existed back then. So yes, it is important for the state attorney to look at that. I wish they would do it more. Thank goodness for Mr. Dubois and his family.
Molly Parmer, is that an issue that states are reluctant to go back and do the hard work? Because in this case, it took them months. They had to go find some DNA that wasn't compromised during the original analysis, rerun it with the modern standards, and voila, they find out, oh my gosh, he didn't do it. How big of a hurdle is that to get the state's prosecutors, et cetera, on board?